have been in the industry for more than 2 decades now, and you have been part of reality shows in different capacities. Tell me what has these reality shows contributed to your career?
I'm sure a lot. I think, I started doing my first reality show was on Colors Only, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, back in 2012. And I think before that, I had not done like a proper reality show, but I'd done like a few AFPs, that look like reality shows but aren't like reality shows. But I feel, they've given so much to me. They've actually given me, for more than anything, they've given me a name. Because prior to doing a reality show, or prior to being an anchor or a contestant on a reality show, I was just another character. So, even when I would go out back in the days, people would call me by my character name, and I saw that difference. I saw the change. I saw people calling me Karan, and I think back in the days, for a television face, that was the biggest high, because people would not know you by your name. People would know you by your character, and I think that was a very, very big thing for me. And then, with time, it's given me so much confidence to talk on camera. Because I became an anchor, I realized that there were certain things that I could do, or there were certain things that I could speak. I realized that I had probably, I regained a voice of my own. I could bring about the humor that I had within me. So it's done so much for me. It's taught me so many lessons in life. Khatro as a show has changed my life so much. It took away my biggest fear that I had since I was a child. I was dog phobic. I was very, very scared of dogs. And now I have a pet for the last 6 years. And that happened after, doing Khatro Pain in Spain. So I think overall it's just changed my life. It's given me the stardom that I have. It's made me go places. It's made me travel. It's made me meet so many different people, from different arenas of life. And I think I can just go on and on about what reality shows have done for me.
Right. But did it start right from your first reality show that you did, or it took a while for you to build that fan base? For Karan Wahi, not Karan Wahi, the character, the characters that you played.
Luckily, I think because, we're also living in a very different world today. The world has changed. The world was very different back then. There were not too many opportunities. You had a handful of actors who were working. You actually did not have too many anchors. Manish was the only anchor at that time. And prior to Manish, it was Hussain. So, there weren't not too many people would become anchors and all. And Manish started a very different space of anchoring. And I think my first reality show, proper reality show, was Jhalak. And luckily for me, because I was a household name before that itself, I think it also helped me, grab eyeballs. I was also one of the very first reality show contestants to be a certain way, or to look a certain way, or to believe that having a body, having a physique, would matter a lot. And I think that was exploited in a very, very good way also on television back then, because I was the first few people who was taking care of his physique. And I think that also skyrocketed the entire process a little faster, and made it better for me. I didn't have to go through too much when it comes to reality for me to actually become a household name. But I think what changed the game after that was that I became an anchor. So an anchor on any other reality show, and then I just kept on doing that, and here I am 22 years later.
Okay, one thing, it was a pleasant surprise for us to see you in Aap Jaisa Koi, and it was such a beautiful role. But it really took a long time for you to be part of a movie of that sort, in which your role made an impact, even if it was not for a longer time, but it did.
I'm just glad. I'm just very glad that you're speaking about it. It was actually a guest appearance role. When I was called for it, and I'd asked what is the role, and they were like, it's nothing, it's just a guest appearance, and if you could be a part of it, we think you fit the bill. And See, for me, acting wise now, I'm a very intuitive person and I'm very instinctive. So I don't actually, I don't have like a career goal to do a certain kind of role, or I don't want to like be like wary of not doing something. If something hits me, something works for me, and makes me feel right, I do it. Yes, there are times some certain things will work. There are times certain things won't work. But that's not in my hand. My hand is that in my hand what it is there is I have to do my work. I have to be true to my craft, and I have to hope that people like it. And even if it's a small role, days like this when someone mentions something like that, I think that's victory for me. So I feel I'm just glad that I've been getting opportunities. I did a couple of films. Uh, some did well on the box office, some did not. But then again, like it's become a numbers world, and आप कितना भी कर लो, I think you're just chasing the next number. So I feel what is in my hand is in my hand. What I can do best, I should do that, and then rest, leave everything to God.